Hello students, today we will talk about force. We will discuss about force. So what is force? You have learned before, I hope. Yes, it is simply a push or pull. Now you will ask, what is push? Yes, something that you are keeping away from your body, that is known as push. And if you are taking towards your body, then it is known as pull. So simply we need objects, means we need to make a contact with it, then only we can feel it. Force cannot be seen, only we can feel it. So if I want to push something, I need one object, then only I can apply this force. And if I am pulling something, there also I need something. So something is required to feel this force. Now if we say push, I am pushing something, and pull, I am pulling it towards my body. So this is known as pull. Now what is the unit of force? Simply, if we want to calculate force, there is one formula that is known as F equal to M multiplied by A. So it is the product of mass and acceleration. So if we want to take out the unit of force, it is very simple. What is the unit of mass? It is kg multiplied by what is the unit of acceleration? It is meter per second square. So the unit of force is kg meter per second square, and it is also known as Newton. So the unit of force is Newton. Now we will see what are the effects of force that we have learned before, that a force cannot be seen, it can only be felt. So suppose I am having this, I have shown you that if we squeeze it, then only we can open the cover. Just open the cover of the tube and you can squeeze, and you can see something is coming out of the tube. That means to take the lotion away from this tube, or if we want to take it out, then we need to apply some force, that is known as squeezing. And here also we are applying force. Here we need two things that I have shown you. This is tube, I am in contact with this tube, I have squeezed it, applied the force, and everywhere that we are living, you can see every day we need to apply force to work to be done in daily basis. So if you want to want our work to be done, we need to apply force simply. So what is force? It is push or pull. And what is the definition of force? Yes, simply it is a push or pull where interaction between the two substances is required. And what is the unit of force? Simply it is kg meter per second square, that is also known as Newton. SI unit of force is Newton. Now come to the next part. What force can do? So force can make a body move. Force can stop the body from moving. A force can change the shape of the body. I am applying force, you can see the shape is changing. So you can see the force can change the shape of the body. Now suppose a body is moving from this side and I am applying the force and the direction is changing. So simply you can see the direction can be changed by applying force. So force can change the shape of the body. Force can change or make the body to come at rest. A force can change the direction of a moving body. A force can make a body to move. Suppose it is at rest, it can be moved by applying force. So this is simply the force, nothing else. Now come, I have told that always remember the force. If want to apply one substance is required, so always a contact substance is required to show the or feel the force. Now sometimes it is not required. Suppose if we are falling from, something is falling from the tree, as you know that our scientist, you know, the popular very famous and renowned scientist Newton, who had discovered about gravitational force. So all things that you can make the body to fall down, it will move down. How? Is there any contact in between them? No. So this is a type of gravitational force. So force can be two types. Where contact is required, that is known as contact force. When contact is not required, that is known as non-contact force. And if here I have squeezed it to take out the lotion from the tube, this is a muscular type of force. So because I am applying my force, my muscular force, this is known as muscular force, right? This is a type of contact force. Now frictional force. So always remember, it is having some weight, and if it is moving on any path, so there is some you can see surface over there, and these surface are in contact, so it is a type of contact force. If we say frictional force, always this body will want to stop the body from moving. So always remember, if it is moving this side, suppose it is moving towards the waist side, then this surface will want to stop this body from moving. So this opposing force is known as frictional force. Here also you can see this body is in contact with the surface, so this is a type of contact force. So contact force we have seen. Frictional force is also contact force. Muscular force is also a type of contact force. Now come to the next non-contact type of force. So as I have told before that few forces do not require any type of contact. As you can see, the gravitational force, all things are coming down, there nothing is required, no contact is required. So this type of force is known as non-contact force. So we have seen the gravitational force. Have you seen magnet? I hope you know about it. Always we used to play with this magnet. You know, magnet is having two poles, north pole and south pole. So if you take one magnet and you just bring some magnetic material like iron, simply bring it towards this magnet, you will see this magnetic material will be attracted by the magnet, and this is not required any type of contact. There will be a force between these two. You can observe it, you can feel it. So this type of force is known as magnetic force. So magnetic force is also non-contact force because no contact is required over there. This is simply a natural thing, or you can say a non-contact type of force where the magnetic materials are attracted by a magnet. It is the property of a magnet. Now come to the next, that is, if I hope you have done this activity. It is very simple and very easy. Means when I was very small, that from that time only we used to do, just we need a comb, we used to do like this, and you can see the small bits of paper can be attracted by this. What happens? This is due to the charges. You know, this is complete, my hair is balanced, having balanced charge. So if this is also having balanced charged, positive and negative charge, here also I am having positive and negative charge. So if I will do like this, what will happen? There will be a disturbance of charges between these two, and that way we can say some charge is disturbed here also and here also, and that way this charge can attract the bits of paper due to the disturbance in the charges. So always remember this is known as electrostatic force, and that is not required any contact, only it will attract the bits of paper. And magnetic force is also of two types, means a force of repulsion and force of attraction. This electrostatic force is also having two types of charges, like positive charge and negative charge, but the gravitational force is always attracting, it is not repelled at all. So there are two types of you have seen forces, the contact force that I have told before and non-contact force. Right now I have explained that gravitational force, then this electrostatic force, then magnetic force, these can be felt, and these are here no contact is required, so these are known as non-contact type of force. Now in next chapter we will learn about friction. So have a nice day.